Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and after tapping on Connections, scrolling all the way down. Now select More Connection Settings, click on Printing and Default Print Service. Now wait, your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to use different printing service, disable this one thanks to blue sweater at the top. Go back, tap on Download plugin, install the best one for your printer and go back to the same settings. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!